Alright, my camera had a little bit of a fuck up right just now. So what's up, people? Back at it again with white vans. I'm just kidding, back at it again with the BMW. We're working on the Beamer today. But let me show you what I just bought today. I got it at the Harbor Freight. Let me show you guys. There it is. Bam, boom, bow. This earthquake impact wrench. It works fine. I was gonna get a cheap one, but I saw some reviews online. So it was gonna be crap, but it does work. It works actually pretty good. So that's good. And as I was saying, I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna check out the audio on this because I didn't check the audio on the other videos that I filmed from yesterday from the quick jacks. But oh, by the way, the quick jacks are still holding up really good. But let's go ahead and get into here. The earthquake works perfectly fine. I took out all the wheel lugs with ease, with super ease. I just have to take out the security lugs, the ones that are with the security thing here, where they are. Right there, those right there. The problem is that I might not have an adapter for 1/2 inch to 3/8 to take them out, but we'll see. I think I'll be able to take them out with the torque wrench. But it's gonna be pretty good. Take this out, and we're gonna go ahead and work on the bumper. Try to put. Well, we're gonna take out the bumper, put it on top of the car. Of course, the car is painted. We don't want to mess up the paint more than it already is before it goes to paint again, as I said in the previous video. I'm gonna put like a blanket or a sheet on top so I can put the bumper on top. Work on the front of the car. Once the front of the car is done, boom, it goes in. There's gonna be a lot of stuff going under the car, and like I said, all those bunch boxes right there, except for the ones on top there, those right there, those boxes right there have a lot of pieces, and this one at the bottom has a lot of pieces for the car, which is going to be work done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the wheels, both sides, and take out the bumper, and I'll show you when I'm done with that. I don't know if I told you in the last video, I got this Makita power tools. They're good enough for low power or low torque bolts and stuff. So it's gonna help me take out all the bumper thingies and shit. And I'm gonna go ahead and take out the front bumper. And after I take out the bumper, I'm gonna put it on top of the hood. There's gonna be a lot of stuff going on today. Hopefully we get the bumper off today, put it on top of the hood, and maybe attach the headlights by today. Hopefully we do, because we need to get the old headlights and swap them for new ones. We'll see if we can do that on this video. Yeah, and then I got a lot more stuff. Finally I got the parts off. I lost the security lock, but I got some additional ones at what's the name of the store? It is called Napa Auto Parts. I went there. They have some 4C bolts, which actually work for this one. I'm gonna see if I can change to studs instead of bolts. It's just kind of annoying, and it's easier to put the wheels on the car that way. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the bumper and show you guys after I'm done. You can see the videos. I cannot do a time lapse because I don't have that much memory. I have like 28 minutes of recording, and I don't think that's enough, but we'll see. Alright guys, all bolts are off. Bumper should come right out. I bought these towels to put on top of the hood. So what I'm gonna go ahead and just loosen it up a little bit from the front end here and drop down the hood. That way I can go ahead and put the towels under the hood and we're good to go. Alright, let's see how it goes. So the hood's off now. I mean, the front bumper's off. What we have to do is see if we can put on the headlights today. We have this bar here, which I'm gonna check for rusting. There's no rust because aluminum. That's fine. Just a thick piece of aluminum. Remove the excess tape. But whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the old headlights, and I'll show you what the new ones look like. But hopefully everything works. I'm gonna have to move the bumper to the trunk for space, but it should work. So alright guys, so here's the old headlights. They're gonna be for sale on eBay or somewhere, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, I don't care. I'm just gonna put them for sale. They work fine, but I got cooler style headlights. I'll show you in a minute what they look like before. I'm gonna work on these ones and try to remove what we have to remove, which is some stuff from up here in the back, I think. I think it's this module here. Let me flip this up. Tripod now, but I think we gotta remove this here. I'm gonna go ahead and check, see what we actually have to remove. Put it on both of them, and I'll show you what the headlights look like. Right? BRB. Alright, so here is the new headlight. You guys can see there. It's the DTM style. I have to take out the brackets so the headlights of the car. Put them on this one. But something weird I noticed is that did not come with a protective plastic on top, or a wrap for plastic on something on top. So I'm gonna have to put some masking tape to protect it, but for now I'm not flipping it up and over this towel. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start swapping this. I know we have to swap this and this. I checked, and there are the bulbs here, and a little module here, and it should be going back pretty easy on the car. Hopefully by today I have that done, because I usually take so long to do some shit. But it's gonna be very complicated for me to film and move everything. So I'm gonna show you maybe bits or parts, but we'll see. Let me see if I can put it here. Maybe there. I can't see any crap thing. I'm gonna leave it maybe there or maybe here. Okay, so what we do now, we unclip this. I might not have enough. Oh no, you see, just pull down to the side. You have this little brackets there, just two here. Once you do that, just pull this out, disconnect it. So I'll show you. It's been pulled out and disconnect it. Okay, so the bulb is there, and we need to swap this piece here to here. We'll see how that is, because it is same. It looks like Allen, or it looks like an Allen head in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that there, the screw, and here's Philip. So I'll go ahead and take care of that, and I'll show you guys how hard that was. I'm not gonna film this part because there's a lot of filming, and I don't want my memory to go. So BRB. Alright, so both headlights are in. They're connected. Alright, flip camera down. Forgot. It's a new system and whatever. Alright guys, headlights are out. Well, headlights are done. They're gonna go back into their box they came in. They came in that box. And now, what I will do is take out the brackets on the car. There's one bolt back here and two right over there by the grills. Since I have the drill, I'm gonna do it off camera. Get that off and put them on the headlights. So, see you in a minute. It's kind of dark. I closed the garage because it was raining, and I have some acrylics there. Sunny back now. Florida for you. Opening the garage back again. So I put on some masking tape. It's only attached by these two bolts right now, and this one. The bracket's on the headlight. I just have to attach it here and here, which I'm gonna leave like that for now. I'm gonna attach the other side before I do anything. Connect it and see if we got power to turn it on. If we do got power, the headlights work. Next up is just putting everything back together. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I will let you know and I'll show you if the headlights worked or didn't. I have to go ahead and wait until the rain calms down a little bit. I know my garage is a mess. Bunch of trash. It's just boxes and stuff, bumpers and toilet paper from COVID and all that stuff, and water bottles because I have the water system. It's just a mess. It's just a bunch of empty boxes too that I have to throw out. Don't worry, after the car is done, there's gonna be a full cleanup of the garage, which I will show you guys. So just wait, just you wait. I do apologize for my garage being dirty, but just you wait, okay? The key on the ignition. Well, turn on the ignition. Turn on the ignition. That's what I meant. Okay, so you can see it's brighter there. The compressor started running. I got turned off before the battery runs out. So you can see there and there. I am sorry. I'm not gonna show you the final version. I'm gonna turn it off right now before the battery runs out. Use the compressor for your suspension. There you go. So. Okay, so as you can see, it works fine. Let me take out the blinkers. And as I said, I apologize for not showing you guys what. I'll take out the key in a second. I apologize for not showing you guys what the headlights look without the tape. I have a lot of work to do on the car, so I'm gonna start working in here and also under it. And the reason I'm not going to show you the headlights yet is because I don't want them to be scratched when the bumper comes on the car. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and the bumper is going to be off the car. It's going to go under on the hood for now. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. I mean, at least for now, while I work on it. If I have to move it, I'll move it back there where it is back there. But yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. New headlights are on. I can't wait actually to see what they look like as well. So when you guys see it in the video is when I'm gonna see it as well, because I have literally not seen them without the masking tape. The video should be going up soon, hopefully by July 4th is my goal, this video. If not, it's gonna be a little later. But with that done, that means we have a lot of work left to do under here, and there's a bunch of parts in that box right there and under those toilet paper and napkins. Don't worry about that. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane. And then once that's all done, it's gonna get a car wash. Once again, it's gonna go to paint to correct some painting issues that it has, and polish. I might detail it. Go to a detail shop and have them detail it. And yeah, we're working on that. That should be soon there. I got plans for that too. In any case, thanks guys for watching the video. I know I've been out of YouTube for a while now. This video is filmed way before after the previous videos I filmed. I've been streaming on YouTube. You can go to my second channel. I just stream video games and stuff like that. You can watch me play video games in there. I will be streaming all the new games that are coming out, just because I like to stream games and gaming from my PS5 and PC on YouTube. I'll try Twitch. Not a big fan. What else? Nothing else. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, 3S giveaway still on, so leave a comment and subscribe. Peace.